Hello, this is Crowe. I'm doing my daily video for Aisa Love's 100K Mastermind training. I'm excited that last night I got lucky and won the draw on the people who had submitted their Babe That Talked. But on today's video, I want to talk about some problems I've been having. I was having trouble with the syndication. I couldn't get into the syndication group, and I tried a couple of ways to get into it. Couldn't get into it, and I was talking to support, and they were looking at it and said everything's working on their computer, and also the obaboost.com. It comes up and gives me a message and said I can't get to that either. So they're still working on that. So I wasn't able to go in and boost everyone's post. I'm going to go to the computer and show you what happened to me. And so here I am now at the computer. I want to show you a problem that I'm having doing the syndication. When I go to Facebook to do the syndication, what I do is I go to the search box, and when I click in the search box, as I start to type online, then it pops up automatically. So there I can just click on it, and that takes me to the online business network. But I want to get to syndication, so what I do, I go to the search box, I click search. I've already typed in syndication in the past, so I type syndication. I just click on syndication. But it's not going to the syndication page. It's going to this page where it has someone's post. And on this post, if I comment here, I'm only commenting to her one post. Or if I try to post my own things here, then it just adds it as a comment on her post. It doesn't take me where I can see everyone else's. It won't let me add my own current post. Another thing is, let's go to the website. I'm going to go to, sorry, I hit a wrong key there. I'm going to go to obaboost.com. And when I go to obaboost.com, it comes up and says, this content is not available right now. It says when this happens, it's usually because the owner only shared with a small group of people, or they have just been deleted. And I tried these links and none of them take me to the right place. So for some reason I'm getting this, I don't know why. And I was discussing that with support yesterday, and they can't figure out either. It works on their computer but doesn't work on my computer. So I wasn't able to go in and boost everyone else's post. But then after the webinar last night, I realized I had an email from Lisa Perlman, who's going to be my partner for our group meeting, and I had left that blank on the form, so I had to go to that form and add her. And when I went back searching for it, I went back to Microsoft Edge, and on Edge it does have the syndication group. So here's where I put my links in on Microsoft Edge. In Chrome it's not working, but it is working in Edge. That's even stranger. But also in Edge, I have a Facebook page called Learn Gospel Piano. So it thinks that I'm from Learn Gospel Piano. So on my post, it's instead of Carl Blakey Crowe, it's Learn Gospel Piano. After I did the first one and noticed that it was from Learn Gospel Piano, then I went ahead and added my name in with a post so you can see who it's from. So I just found that out about 11 o'clock last night. So it was too late, so I'll go in today and do some boosting from other people. So is anyone else having this problem? Let me know, or let support know. If you know how to correct it, we'd appreciate that. Thank you very much.